George! How's the George? How's the goddamn George?
So your question is how to prepare about the general science and English paper for CDS or ND. I will say, firstly, like these are two different papers. English is separate. General science is combined with general science, current affairs, sports, history, constitutions, political science, all these things. So, for firstly, I will talk about preparing for a general science and general knowledge paper. For that, you should be good. You should carry out your revision of your ancient history of 8th, 9th, 10th standard. Similarly, geography. Then basic science also comes up to 10th standard. So you should subscribe one magazine minimum for yourself every month. That is either Competition Success, Competition Master, Pratyogta Darpan, Drishti, and make a group so that if there are 5 friends, they buy one magazine each, and then you can share. Similarly, one newspaper you must subscribe for yourself. For preparing for English paper, you have to first go to your grammar book of 10th. Read. You read what is adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction, how to change direct speech, indirect speech. Okay? It is grammar has never changed. It has taught us comprehensions, precis writing, the same kind. And kindly every day note down 5 words from your newspaper or the magazine which you are studying, and you don't know the meaning of that. Write down the meaning. Write down how it has to pronounce. Make a sentence out of it, and you will see you will have a bank of good vocabulary, and you will know synonyms and antonyms. When you read a word, write synonym, write antonyms. That's how you prepare. Read your essay books. Read, do the exercises which are in your grammar book of 10th. If you might have thrown it out, kindly go and buy again. 8th, 9th, 10th grammar book. Get hold of Atlas also. That's how you prepare for English. And carry out time practice. Keep a watch, keep a paper, and do the practice. Buy a CDS guide also or NDA guide also for it. Carry out the time practice for English as well as the general science paper. That's all. Thank you. Allot at least 2 to 3 hours for your NDA or CDS preparation. At least 1 year in advance. And utilize your summer vacations and winter vacation, especially for this purpose. That time you can devote more time. Your question is whether international events are covered in general science paper in CDS or not. Certainly it will be covered. Now, world has become a global village, and people at this level who wants to become a defense officer, they should know what is happening all around the world. Very much this event will be covered. So kindly keep an eye on this. Thank you. Your question is how to prepare smartly when you don't have time. Firstly, what you were doing before this. When you are clear about aim, then I think you should have time. But still, my advice to you is, whatever time you have got, divide your time equally for each paper and go systematically, make a training program for yourself. Follow it, whatever you cover in the best manner so that it remains your solid subject. To plan your studies, read newspaper, go for news, cover sports event, read history, read geography, cover political events, go for English grammar. That's how you are able to prepare. There are no shortcuts. For that, you can refer to my other videos where I have discussed these points in detail also. That's only you can do. Though still my advice is there is no shortcut in life.